So you're trying to figure out how to buy Shiba Inu with your credit or debit card? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step exactly how to get that done. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so you can see I'm on my phone. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take you over to the app so you can get ready to buy your Shiba. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll up, and then at the bottom you can see the app that says crypto.com. I'm gonna go ahead and click on crypto.com. All right, so now it's opening up the app. It's about to ask me for my passcode. So you're gonna have to actually create a passcode yourself. All right, so I put my passcode in, and now I'm in the app. Now, the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to download the app. Now, the easiest way for you to do that so you can get up to $25, and I get $25 as well, is to use the first link down below in the description box. That will allow you to do that. Now, let's continue progressing throughout the rest of the video. So it's about to ask me to put my code in again because I'm using this app that allows me to show on my phone, but typically what happens is it'll log me out just because of, I guess, how secure crypto.com is. All right, but let's go on and continue. All right, so now the first thing you're gonna do after you download the app is you want to go ahead and go down to the bottom. You're gonna see 5 different things you can click on. You're gonna see home, accounts, you're gonna see the crypto.com logo, and then you're gonna see something that says track. Now what I like to do is I like to click on the one that says track, and then at the top where you see it says search coins, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in Shiba. And then we're going to wait for it to pop up. Okay, boom, there's Shiba. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Shiba. And then at the bottom, you see how it says buy SHIB. So what I'm going to do, because I've already added my card at this particular point, I'm just going to go ahead and hit buy SHIB. Okay, so now you can see it says, and it's about to ask me to put my code in again. Man, all right. All right, so here we go. So you see it says credit card, crypto wallet, fiat wallet. So it says $64.54 USD, and then that would give me 7 million SHIB. All right, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and make the purchase right here live. Typically, I don't like to buy when the market, is up. As you can see, it's up 32%, which is pretty crazy, right? But just for sake of this video, I'm gonna just go ahead and buy it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit buy 7 million SHIB. All right, and then as you can see, it says 0.0 fee is required to cover additional processing costs. Why is that? Because for the first 30 days of you using this, that's going to get you the no fees. But after that 30 days, then it'll be 2.99%. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit I understand that this fee is required. And then I'm going to hit continue, and we're going to see what happens. All right, so dang it, it's about to ask me for the code again. Oh no. All right, we should be good this time. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, 64.24, 1 SHIB. The price has expired. Now that's one thing to keep in mind as well. There's a little timer up at the top if you don't do it quick enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and get through it. But as you can see, $64.50, which gives me 7 million SHIB. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my code in real quick, and let's see what happens. All right, so it says confirm. So I'm gonna go ahead and confirm real quick. Hit submit. And let's see what happens. It says processing payment, do not close or refresh the page. So hopefully the little thing on the app don't come up and mess this up. Okay, you purchased 7 million SHIB. All right, so at this particular point, I can tap anywhere on the screen, and now it's about to ask me to put my code in again. Now, you may not have to put your code in this many times. Let me hit tap anywhere. But because I'm using this app that allows me to show on the phone, it always does this for some particular, reason. All right, so now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna go ahead and hit refresh. All right. All right, so I'm not seeing it okay, so there we go, $64.11, right? And that is in Shiba, okay? So as you can see, it's very, very simple. All you gotta do is just download the app by using the link down below in the description, get signed up. And something you wanna know is when you actually sign up, there's going to be like, after you go through the KYC, the verification process, it's going to say, oh, well, it's going to take 2 to 3 business days. Well, I'm here to tell you that when I saw that, I was like, oh, 2 to 3 business days. Now I got to wait a couple of days to get, to get access to it. But what I found is it took about 20 to 30 minutes really, and then all of a sudden it was good to go, and then it said, hey, you're verified. So all I did was went in there and then everything was good. All right, so if you see that 2 to 3 business days thing, it's good. Just give it a little bit of time, okay? And another thing, if your card declines, right, because a lot of people have been saying, my card was declining and so on and so on. Some banks are not allowing crypto purchases to be made. And then sometimes all you got to do is just call up your bank, but don't say, oh, well, I'm about to make a purchase on this, right? Because sometimes they won't allow those transactions to go through depending on who you're actually banking with. All right, so hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this information was valuable, and if you're ready to get started with crypto.com so you can buy Shiba very simple, very easy, then go ahead and use that first link down below in the description. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.